Hello everyone. Today we will see highlight sales rules part 2 of conditional formatting in Excel. So let's start. Uh, in previous tutorial of highlight sales rules, we have covered all these features with more rules, all the rules and different options also. And we also covered new rule, clear rules, only manage rules left. So today we will see manage rules. So let's create some rules first. Let's select a rule here. Okay, we have applied three conditional formatting in three data sets. So if I don't select any data set and then click on manage rules, we will see no conditional formatting rules here. Okay, because current selection is given. Now if we have not selected anything and the correct selection is given. Now if I apply this worksheet, then all the conditional formatting rules in this worksheet will be available. Okay, if I select only one conditional formatting, then if I go to manage rules, you will see only one conditional formatting rule is available because we have selected only one. Here current selection is given. By default it current selection appears, but if you select this, then even in that case you will see all the conditional formatting rules in this worksheet. Okay, so here we can see three conditional formatting rules. Now here we can see different options: new rule, edit rule, delete rule, and some moving features here. If I want to move this to top, then select this one. Let's select this one. Then if I click twice, it will be in the top. If I want, if I want to this as down, then select this. Then this blue uh, background will be available. Then click this icon, it will be down. So this is how we can move. After selecting, you can move. Okay, now if you want to edit rule, for example, if I want to edit this rule, select edit rule. Then let's change the format into green. Okay, if I apply, then you will see it is changed. So this is how we can edit the rule. Let's select this worksheet. You can also change the values also. Now if delete rule, if you want to delete any rule, then select this. And any, let's we want to delete this rule, then select this, then delete rule, it will be deleted. Apply. Okay, so you will not see that rule anymore. Now finally, new rule. Okay, if I select this new rule, if you want to apply any new rule, we know what is our first step. That is to apply any conditional formatting, select data range first. We want to select this data range, and from here you can select new rule. From here you can select new rule from every feature new rule is available, or you can go to manage rules, and from here you can select new rules. Here I can apply a 2 3 scale color scale. Okay, apply. You will see a new rule is applied. So this is all about of manage rules. That's all for today. Thank you very much.